10:45 a.m. and we have arrived at the Florida Welcome Center. It's 30 degrees warmer here than it was when we left this morning. So the orange and grapefruit juice is back. They are now giving it out, which is nice. They had taken it away, at the whole beginning of the whole COVID thing. Skyland and Lakeland are getting some orange juice. So I never get maps at the parks anymore since I know them, so I figured I'd grab some here. What the heck? So I just noticed that the dolphin they took down on that pedestal used to be the dolphin, and he's not there anymore. It is November 29th, 2020, and we are on our annual Wyndham Bonnet Creek family vacation. We normally are there on Thanksgiving week, but because of the pandemic, we had to change the dates.
We're neither. Crazy.
Coincidental, if nothing else.
We're waiting for Tom to park the car. And we have lots of luggage. It is 7:07, by the way. We've made our Walmart run and got our cold groceries. They're loving the elevator doors. I just realized that I feel like I'm like in a Harry Potter movie. This is like the carts they used in Harry Potter when they were going to the train. Yay! We got a view of the pool, the lazy river.
This is kind of fun.
Right over the lazy river.
Oh, that's fun.
I'm going to start here in the master. If you've been with us for a while, you have seen the Wyndham Bonnet Creek tours before. We always get a 2-bedroom. Basically, they look the same. We're actually in the same configuration. Like sometimes the master's on the right, sometimes it's on the left. We were on the right last year, just like we are now.
Honey, look what I brought you.
We have closet.
Are you ready for your special treat?
Yes. We have to Lysol everything. And guys, we did this before. Well, we won't say we. I did this before the virus. If you've been with us for years, you know that no matter where we stay, I have to... Oh, the light didn't come on. I have to Lysol everything. Here we go. There we go. So this was pre-virus. So Lakeland and Skyland will be in these beds. And so it's really nice that they're on the other side of the suite. Oh, you've already... Guess he's already been in the bathroom. Didn't even realize he was in there. So they have their own bathroom. And we have our own bathroom. Laundry's always in here. It's really nice that we can do our laundry before we leave and I don't have to do it when I get home. That's just a great bonus. I love the large table. And then again, kitchen's fully stocked. Not going to go over that because y'all have seen this tour before. So we've got to unpack, get these carts down, get the groceries in the fridge. The next day, November 30th, 2020, we spent in St. Petersburg out on the water. So check this vlog out. So December 1st, 2020. It's gonna be a cold one here in Florida. It is 10:45 in the morning and it is only 48 degrees. But the good news is today is a Disney day. Here's the view from the master bedroom here. So this morning we're headed off to some of the Disney resorts to check out the Christmas decorations, have lunch, and then, ooh, look, my Christmas shirt. This is actually what I've been sleeping in. You see his reflection of Mickey. And then we're off to Disney Springs. I was looking over this magazine that I picked up at the Florida Welcome Center while Skyline was French braiding my hair. And inside, looky, there is a coupon for Ghirardelli at Disney Springs. Free bar with the purchase of any sundae. So cutting that out, taking it with us. Be in the spirit today. So Mr. here is on the naughty list as he goes resort hopping in Disney Springs.
Excuse me, I just found like...
Oh yeah, and then he found those in his wallet, and there's no expiration date.
Yeah, no, that's not the naughty list. I'm sorry. That's the awesome list.
Yeah, so a coupon. We have 2 of those, $1 off any specialty sundae. And then I'm going to be wearing, they're not Disney Christmas socks, but they are Christmas socks. I'll show you what else I'm wearing, you know, kind of maybe after I get dressed.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Okay, so I am wearing a 2017 Very Merry Christmas Party shirt, and I have my old school Christmas magic band. And even though this isn't Christmas, it is another magic band that has red in it, so I'm wearing it. Can y'all even see that? There we go. Now you can see it. When you come out of Wyndham Bonnet Creek, this is what we come out to. And this is very iconic to me, and just like, I don't know, very symbolic also. If they ever take this down, I will actually be devastated. So the Magic Kingdom gates there have been painted since the last time we were here 2 months ago. Total first for us. We've never like drove up to the Grand Floridian. Like we've never parked or entered the entrance or even been on this road right here, like in our own vehicle. So beautiful. You know, it's gonna be a shame that the giant gingerbread house is not going to be in here this year. That's sad. It's also very odd for us to come in on the lower level and not coming up on the monorail. Yeah, it looks so bare over there with no gingerbread house. Killing the toys. Can't take Tom and Lakeland anywhere. Okay, that's enough. Poor Crush. No, he is not going to run over the turtle. I will not let that happen. Put that minivan back. Lakeland wants to take the elevator back down. We were in the little shop wasting time before our reservation. So we haven't done the elevator in a long time.
This is scary.
It's a lot more pleasant experience than Tower of Terror. Oh man, that's cool. You can actually see the numbers that say 2 up there. Also sad to see that 1900 Park Fair is not open. So we've checked in and realized that the menu is even more limited than I thought it was. Like, they actually do lunch from 7:30 to 2, but there's more breakfast on there than there is lunch. And then dinner's 5 to 9:15. We have a nice table right under the dog weather vane. We've actually never sat in this section before. We've always been back there. I have to admit, not having somebody sit at this table is actually going to be really nice. So Skyline got an iced vanilla latte. Lakeland got a hot one. And the vanilla is on the side because of something to do with the machine. He's going to try it before putting the vanilla in. I'm just old-fashioned girl and got a Coke. Tom's getting breakfast, so he got an orange juice. Skyline got steak and egg breakfast. Lakeland, wow, it's actually bigger than I thought. That salad's actually an appetizer salad, right? Or was that a different one? Well, either way, he got the apple salad. He could have gotten chicken or shrimp, but he just chose the apple salad. I'm so disappointed. These are supposed to be Disney fries. Those are not Disney fries. Those are big old yucky steak fries. But I got the Impossible Burger with the caramelized onions. And Tom, was that French toast Foster or something, or vanilla French toast?
Some sort of French toast.
Well, at least they have a little gingerbread house inside of the Grand Floridian Café. And we see little details. All those tiny little poinsettias. Little soldiers. And look, they even have the little chase that they normally have on the real one. All the presents up top. Man, the patience to make a tiny little thing like this. All these tiny little flowers.
Hello everyone, I'll be right with you, please. My name is Harrah.
Oh, and the little sign they always have with that list all the ingredients. They did a little replica of that. I see some hidden Mickeys on the shutters like they normally do. And all the little layers, the tiles of the roof. And Santa on top. This is done to scale, by the way. So this is weird, that when we were waiting for our reservations, that fountain was on, and now it's not. Interesting.
Oh no.
They got some volleyball, no, like a little tennis.
It's badminton.
Oh, badminton, yeah, badminton thing over there.
I have it.
They now have markers at the monorail station at Grand Floridian. So that's kind of interesting. Look! Yes, I do remember when you broke that. Matter of fact, I'll link that above right now so everybody can watch it if they want to.
Ladies and gentlemen,
So look what they're doing now. Like, see how it's painted monorail green back there? That's cool.
monorail will depart momentarily.
We now have these things behind us. This little curtain. I forgot to mention that we actually got our temperature taken before going into the restaurant, and then of course our temperature taken before getting on the monorail. Skyline is playing What's in My Purse? Lotion. She already pulled out a hair tie. when she gets hangry. Granola bar. A wallet. Lip gloss. Mascara. She already pulled out a dead perfume sample. Asthma inhaler. And she pulled out sunglasses. Gum. That was before I turned the camera on. Anything? Money. I just realized I'm wearing a green tiki mask and I'm on the green monorail. So we sat there at the station for like 15 minutes, seriously, but I'm totally fine with that because I'd rather sit there with the doors open than sit somewhere on the track with the doors closed, up in the air somewhere. So I'm totally good with that. It was nice and relaxing. Ooh, cupcakes. Yeah. Oh God. The way it just jerked. So the walkway from the Grand Floridian to Magic Kingdom is now open, and that's what this is right here. Finally.
So we're on the run today. We're really on our way, yeah. Feeling like we'll soon